New developments in the future of the Shark Bar in Providence. A court-appointed receiver is now overseeing the business. This is the restaurant on Thayer Street that allegedly paid House Speaker Gordon Fox a bribe to get its licenses. So now city leaders want to pull those licenses.
We expected one thing that never happened. It was all cut short at City Hall today.
Yeah, a roadblock. Let's get the latest now from NBC 10's Allison Bologna live in the newsroom. Allison?
The bar remains open for now, but the city continues to fight that. They want to void the license at the bar, but the lawyers for the owner of the bar say not so fast.
It was quick in City Hall today with the Board of Licenses. While Providence wants to void the liquor license at Shark Bar and Grill on Thayer Street, the city will have to wait. This comes after former House Speaker Gordon Fox has admitted to taking a $52,000 bribe years ago for the business.
You know, I want you to know that the city objected at Superior Court.
The city objected to the stay. A judge in Superior Court granted the business's petition for a receiver and a temporary stay. The mayor says they will continue to fight that.
And it sends a clear message that corruption at any level of government is not going to be tolerated.
As the receiver runs the business now, the city clarifies that they are trying to void the license, not revoke it. That means they're trying to argue that the license should not exist because it was never obtained legally. That's different than trying to take away the license for practices while the business was open. Does the city, though, have legal ground?
Well, I've spoken with my law department, and the city believes that we can void the license, and that's how we're going to proceed.
We visited the business this afternoon. When we went there, it was closed. Now the city is filing a new motion to lift the stay. The city can't do much, though, until that happens.
How long do you think this will take to go through?
Yeah, it's always uncertain at Superior Court, but we're going to file our motion later today. It'll probably be scheduled for a couple of weeks from now, and then the judge decide whether we can go forward with the licensing board to void the license, or whether we have to wait until the receivership process is done.
All right, so that's the very latest. Also, the I-Team's Parker Gavigan just spoke with the owner's lawyer for Shark Bar and Grill, who told him that they believe they have a strong case because of the Department of Business Regulation back in 2009 at the state level had approved the license, even after neighbors objected about it. Simply put, they don't believe the city has a right to void the license, and that's why they want a judge to decide for this once and all. Allison Bologna, NBC 10 News.